Turquoise. Turquoise. We're gonna have our meals now. Meals. Yeah, Dada.
Hi.
Not enough light here.
Quit. Leave BB alone.
Poor baby.
What?
Poor baby. Where's Mitch? Mitch. 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 Yeah, Mitch. Shh. Hiya, baby. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, this is a beautiful place. He's so cute. So you can see yourself. You are so cute, Scott. He's so shy. Look at him. Is she going to school? There's the star. Oh. So big, goodness.
Make a picture that I'll pull down.
Nah. We're gonna watch it later. So where's your classroom? That's your classroom? Are you?
This Moxie. This is Nick. Me.
Yeah.
Oh, I see about. Oh, okay.
Goodness.
He was telling
Are you gonna open the shade so we get more light in here?
Hey, come over here.
Yeah.
See, look, see, there's a mission.
Oh,
It's by Sarah Chamberlain.
really?
And this one's by me.
Which one is yours? Oh, goodness.
Yeah, we worked on it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Mom.
Yeah. There's a
Yeah.
whole bunch of
Really? Oh, that's
Like cake.
Uh-oh. Your mom is hungry again. Goodness.
Look at
This
this
is
one.
what. This is.
Oh, here.
This
Oh,
one
here,
is
here,
by
behind
Michael
you.
Ryan. This one is by Michael Ryan.
Oh.
Oh, that's good.
These are all your friends, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that is beautiful.
That one back
This one
there
here.
is really
This
nice.
one is by
fancy.
Joel Roberts.
That's very
Boy,
good.
they are so
It's macaroni.
artistic, these people.
Thing there.
Oh. Like a little pond.
Yeah. It's what do you call it?
Mm-hmm.
Cock.
Oh, I like your classroom. Nice. So colorful.
Oh, and here's some over here.
What is that? Good habit.
Here's the rest of them. Oh. This one's by David Craddock.
Geez, that's a good one. Look at that, what they made it out of. What do you make it out of?
Goodness, cardboard.
This is
Yeah.
Martin's son
Made
did that.
Oh, first,
Okay, mine's the terrible one.
which one?
Oh.
So here,
1850?
I can see it from here, babe.
18...
1906.
1906. Wait, let's see. 1861.
We should have.
Well, there is none. Well, they'll all see this.
Wait, I think it's in my desk.
Earthquake.
That's why it's a rock falling on.
Hey, that's good.
Oh, 1906. You go ahead, guys. Lay in here. There's Dave. Where's Baby? Where's Baby? Where's Baby? Oh, goodness. Cutie pie, where are you? Hi. Hi. Yeah, come on, let's go inside. See? There's Auntie. We're gonna look at the view out in the window. Come on.
No, that's nice, you know.
I guess.
Thank you, honey.
I'm gonna make your oatmeal here. Look at that view. You like that? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yum? She's teething. She likes that stuff.
Before we go to more bed, I think we should try to stop at the thrift shop again and try to find it.
Oh, you didn't read it?
We just got that.
Well, we should. Hi, Gina.
I'm gonna get dressed.
Okay, for work.
I don't know what I would.
She wants us. What's that? Mine? Well, you gotta put it back now. Oh, that's your car.
That thing doesn't rotate too well.
Oh. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's a thrift shop outfit.
Yeah.
She likes those bubbles.
Why she's trying to eat it? Yeah. Isn't that cute?
I'm trying to get a lot of pictures of Scott because that's her only cousin here. Goodness.
Yes. Oh, here's her letter.
Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow.
Are you gonna shoot a picture of this?
Yeah, of course.
Put it on her head.
You know,
Johnny, later when it's warmer, do it outside, okay?
Okay.
on the dogs. The dogs probably like it. They drive them crazy. Are you gonna eat, Scott?
He's going to pepper steak soup, and anytime you're ready for this,
Yeah.
you want me to put it in now, or would you rather?
I'm taking your picture.
Oh, no.
Can I watch the
Well, so
game?
what? You want to try?
Arrows wins.
Oh, golly.
Ready?
Yep. Okay. May I see your shield? Whoa. Why? What's that? A plus sign or a cross? No, that's an X. Oh, the warrior's gone. Dead. Okay, bye. Princess. There. Oh, the happy princess there. The warrior's supposed to save. Where's this warrior? Warrior, what are you doing there?
You got that. I like
Okay, saved.
The warrior walks away. Then he accidentally dropped his sword on his tail. Oh, Annie!
Oh, I took a
Only
picture.
one though. Where'd the rest go? Can't believe I never saw a wild turkey in my life.
Then from stuff. What's going on?